How to make Block Blast pink. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to customize Block Blast or make the game pink themed, it's likely you are referring to changing the visual style or applying a pink aesthetic. While the game itself might not have built-in customization features, here are a few ways you can create a pink vibe. First, you can use a pink-themed device setting. Set a pink-themed background or wallpaper on your phone or tablet. Many devices have options to match app themes with your background. You can also go for dark mode accent colors. Some Android and iOS systems allows you to choose accent colors. Select pink to give whole device a pink aesthetic. And if available, enable custom themes. Check if Block Blast has a theme customization feature. Some versions of puzzle games allow you to purchase or unlock themes that change the colors of the blocks and grid. Look for updates or events with themed skins, example, Valentine's Day or spring themes might include pink blocks. You can also use Screen Filter app. Download a screen filter or overlay app that add color tint to your screen. Set the filter to pink and everything including Block Blast will appear in pink hue. So these were a few options on how you can make Block Blast pink. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.